Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week has been a busy one outside of RC, so I haven't finished the SCX10 III gearbox build video. Instead, we've got some clips from a trip to Snelsmore Common and some really sticky mud. All being well, normal service will resume next week, but in the meantime, as always, thanks for watching. Like if you liked, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if there's something on your mind. Bye guys.
That wasn't what you were planning to do, was it? Look, isn't it? How far you can go in? I'm stuck, I can't get up over it. You better go and get it. Give you a helping hand. That front left wheel, bring it up onto the ground first, because you won't have the approach on. You haven't got the approach on. It's literally from inside that mucky water. You've now got an issue. You've got that front wheel arch stuck on the log.
Press it a bit.
Yeah, that ain't happening. I was going to say, if
The smell is not getting any better.
that'll go well on your video. I think I've lost the back. I think I've lost the back wheel in the mud. I think. I just don't want that back wheel to fall off that lip. I'd probably just gun it, you know. I think that's a no. Yeah. Take two. Oh yeah!
If you go in the solar, you're fucked. You have to stay just... Almost.
That video's got to go straight up when you... See, that's what off-roading's all about.